the race of monarchy, where have we reached? What have we achieved? And what have we lost? We may have gained a little, but we have lost a lot. Perhaps we have lost all that is ours. Then we wake up and open our eyes. Perhaps we are still half asleep. If we do not wake up now, we will completely lose our identity. Look and meditate. Be careful and take a step towards safeguarding our culture. This is our neighbor, Mr. Verma. He is an Indian culture figure.
And his wife is an embodiment of true love. His children are so kind and polite.
Pranam.
And this is our neighbor, Mr. Sharma. He is obsessed with foreign culture. His wife is completely careless. Their children are stubborn and arrogant.
Good morning.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, beta.
Hey, Mom, I'm hungry. I want to eat pasta. I told you only pasta will be served in this house. But Dad, I only want to eat pasta.
Enough is enough. You only explain to them.
Now, these children grow up and go to school for their studies. Mr. Verma's children also go to good public school.
But Mr. Sharma's children go to such a school where speaking Hindi is a crime, applying Hina is a crime, applying Bindi is a crime. Language, education, culture, thinking. Everything is different from our culture.
Look at the children of public school. Look at the bindi they have applied.
If they fly, our school will definitely be finished. Look at the hand, look at the Hina they have fly.
It looks like they have brought it from the mud.
Hey, hello, what's your name?
Their names are also like that.
Now, these two families' children are preparing for their college.
Coincidentally, they get admission in the same college. It is said that children have grown up and in the family, parents are free. But in the other family, there is more responsibility.
Children, have you taken your tiffin? No, mother, we will eat from outside. Wait, I will bring it right now.
Children, how is your study going on?
Good father. This is your tiffin and this is your tiffin. And yes, don't eat outside food at all. Outside food is harmful for our health.
And come, we will take you to college.
I don't know.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, beta.
Hey, Dad, will you drop us to college?
Sorry, son. I'm getting late for my meeting.
Mom, will you drop us?
Sorry, children. I'm getting late for the kitty party.
Okay, Mom, I will go alone. And I'm late on the way. So don't panic. Give me the credit card and car keys.
Okay, it's kept near the bag. Go and take it.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
Oh, no, my hairstyle will get spoiled.
When the parents have to pay the most attention and take the most positive decisions, only do parents think that their children have grown up and can take their own decisions? Or is it right to go down to the responsible observancy of children and accept the responsibility of one's duty?
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Fine.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Come, let's celebrate Diwali together.
Yes, come on. Hi, auntie.
Hi, auntie.
Happy Diwali.
Same to you.
Come, let's celebrate Diwali together.
No. There is so much pollution here. We can't celebrate Diwali here.
Mr. Sharma, where are you going?
We are going for the outings.
Bye. We can celebrate
Bye.
Happy Diwali, auntie.
Sharma family has no interest in socializing, but even when Mr. Sharma meets, he avoids by saying that he is busy.
Namaste, Mr. Sharma.
Oh, hello, Mr. Verma.
Mr. Sharma, come home sometime. We will sit and have tea.
Oh no, thanks dear. But you see how busy I am. From morning to evening work. And at night meeting with officers in the club.
At least send your wife and kids.
Oh no dear, they are more busy than me. Wife is busy in kitty party and kids are busy in coaching and friends. So very sorry dear, I will say you one thing. Give some freedom to your kids. Kids should be free for their studies and play. But you or sister-in-law always stay with them.
Mr. Sharma, it is very important to stay with them because this is the most delicate phase of their life.
Oh Mr. Verma, you have very old thoughts. I am sending my kids abroad to study so their future will be bright.
But Mr. Sharma, you have a hard seas. Still you will send your kids abroad to study.
It's a normal routine, Mr. Verma, and kids didn't want to study here. And you see, we are open-minded.
Mr. Sharma's children first go to Bangalore and then to UK for studies and settle there. But Mr. Verma's children are happy to settle in Delhi.
One day, Mr. Sharma suddenly has a heart attack. As a neighbor, Mr. Verma takes them to the hospital.
Hello Priya, your father has a heart attack. I'm very lonely here. Please come soon, please come soon.
No, Mom. It is impossible for me to come here. I live here with my colleagues. There is a lots of problems. There is a no time to even breathe here.
I called up Nakul too, but he's not answering his phone.
Are you worried about the phone? And don't about the Nicole? Even I can't meet Nakul, Mom.
Priya, your father is very serious. Please try to understand. Please come soon.
No. Okay, Mom. I will go alone. And I have don't any time. So don't bother me because we have don't any time.
Priya, if I had known that you would be so heartless there, I would have never allowed you to go abroad.
Oh, Mom, you can't manage such a small situation. Nakul is also living with a girl of his choice. He is happy. Now he may never come to India, so bye-bye. Don't bother me by calling me because we have don't any time.
Mr. Sharma, are you fine now?
Yes, Mr. Verma, I am fine.
Mr. Verma, you have given very good values to your children. I wish we could also give such good values to our children.
Today, despite having our children, I am left alone. If we give values to our children, we wouldn't have to see this day.
This whole story points to the fact that are we nurturing our children with love? Are we nurturing them with positive views? Are we separating them from our culture? Or we are uniting with our culture? Now the decision is yours.
Thank you.
That was truly much effort. But children have shown us that real wealth is not measured by money, but by the values that we learn with it. Let us congratulate our young actors for spreading such an important message. We hope this play inspires all of us to continue nurturing kindness, respect, and gratitude in our everyday life.
ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਮਾਤਾ ਪਿਤਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਨੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਨੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਮੇਰੀ ਹੱਥ ਬੰਨ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਸਿਰਫ 20 ਮਿੰਟ ਦਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ। 20 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰਾ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਤਾਂ 20 ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਓ। ਸਾਰੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਅਗਰ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੈਂਡਓਵਰ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਚਾਹੇ ਨਰਸਰੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਦਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ +2 ਕਲਾਸ ਦਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਹੈ, ਘਰ ਤੱਕ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਉਵੇਂ ਚਾਹੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਘਰ ਤੱਕ ਡ੍ਰੌਪ ਵੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੈਨਿਕ ਨਾ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕਿਸਮ ਦਾ ਕਨਫਲਿਕਟ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ। ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ 20 ਮਿੰਟ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਲੱਗਣਗੇ ਜੀ।
ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਸੁਹਾਵਣੇ ਪਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਪਰਫਾਰਮੈਂਸ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਊਰਜਾ ਦੇਵੇਗੀ। Yes, even though we are in the middle of the show, it's always the right time to invoke positivity and divine blessings. So let's invite our talented students who are ready with the beautiful and soulful Ganesh Vandana performance.